respected judges, I'm Shivananda from Arya Sundar School. I'm here to deliver a speech of Swami Vivekananda. Sisters and brothers of America, it fills my heart with joy unspeakable to rise in response to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given us. I thank you in the name of the most ancient order of monks in the world. I thank you in the name of the mother of religions, and I thank you in the name of millions and millions of Hindu people of all classes and sects. My thanks also to some of the speakers on this platform who, referring to the delegates from the Orient, have told you that these men from far-off nations may well claim the honor of bearing to different lands the idea of toleration. I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught the world both tolerance and universal acceptance. We believe not only in universal toleration, but we accept all religions as true. I am proud to belong to a nation which has sheltered the persecuted and the refugees of all religions and all nations. I am proud to tell you that we have gathered in our bosom the purest remnant of the Israelites who came to southern India and took refuge with us the very year the holy temple was shattered to pieces by Roman tyranny. I am proud to belong to a nation which has sheltered and is still fostering the remnant of the grand Zoroastrian nation. The present convention is one of the most august assemblies ever held, is in itself a vindication, declaration to the world of the wonderful doctrine preached in Gita. Whosoever comes to me, in whatsoever form, I reach him. All men are struggling in the path, in the end, which leads to me. Sectarianism, bigotry, and its horrible descended fanaticism have long possessed this beautiful earth. They have filled the earth with violence, drenched it often and often with human blood, destroyed civilization, and put the whole nations to despair. Had it not been for these horrible demons, human society would be far more advanced than it is now. But their time has come, and I fervently hope that the bell that tolled this morning in honor of the convention may be the death knell of all fanaticism, of all persecutions with sword or with the pen, and of all uncharitable feelings between persons wending their way to the same goal. Thank you.